Hey guys, I am TARDIS Avenger, and it's a week late, but I got here. The main point is, I got here. I nearly didn't record this episode, but then I realized it's the second last episode that I'm ever going to get to record for Arrow. So screw it, I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah, so this is our first glimpse of a post-crisis world, and it's definitely going to be an interesting one because everything has changed. We know this has changed, other than the fact that we're never going to see Oliver again, which FYI sucks. So yeah, let's just see how this goes. Also, let's point out I'm doing a bit of an experiment with the camera right now. Probably the worst video to do it, but I'm doing it anyway. I just want to see if this works and helps with the editing process and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is Arrow, Season 8, Episode 9. Green Arrow and the Canaries. Alrighty. Let's do this. 2040? I thought we were starting in 2020! Ooh, I like the logo though. I like the new logo. Oh my god! Yay! Me and William got to grow up together! That is awesome! Yay! Something good is coming from the new world. Even if we're 20 years in the future.
Will you marry me?
Oh, yay!
Please say yes.
Yes, Dig's kid and all of his kids getting married, and it's beautiful, and she's a queen. She's actually a queen. Okay, New World's starting to look up. New World is looking good. I like this.
Doubt that I don't even exist.
I'm sorry, how is that even possible?
I
What?
don't know, but there is no trace of Dinah Drake or the Black Canary.
Oh,
You're
they have...
fine with that?
Okay, that's really
I
bad. They
guess I
have
came to realize
seriously
that
messed with
romantic
history.
can either be sad or it can be oddly freeing. I can let go of the people I lost.
But how did she get to the future? That doesn't make sense.
It's kind of creeping me out.
Thank you. A year from now.
It's not possible.
Oh,
City stays out because
joy!
Bianca Burton-Haley
Star
gets
City's
killed.
gonna burn to the ground again!
3 days from now, her body is found in the bay. Her killer never...
You can't just crash my party and harass my guests.
So if
No,
she
like,
doesn't know, then
They were friends of your parents.
that means
How
that
come
she
I've never
never,
seen
well, she
either
never had to do the
before?
Long
training.
story in less than zero
Because
time
Oliver
to
saved the
explain.
city.
Your friend Bianca, she's in trouble. And
How is she
your
supposed to
help
become the
is
Green Arrow?
Yeah, I'm calling security. Myself? Make sure that.
John somehow managed to put his powers into a ring. Thank God, because this would have been very awkward.
Mara will not see my fate.
I do not see her taking this well though.
Way of telling me I'm not supposed to be a hero.
Why? Because you didn't...
No!
Star.
No!
Because in this
Dinah,
version
you
of
are
the
an
future,
amazing
I'm
hero!
not
Don't
a
say
hero.
things!
Everyone is better.
Don't say these things!
Mia's happy. Mia was happy.
I don't know how well this is gonna go. I have faith in Mia, but something tells me that he's not. Dinah got her powers back! Dinah got her powers back! Come on, Mia, you got this. Come on, atta girl. There she is. There she is. I love it. Oh, come on! How? No! Not this shit again! I'm not doing this again!
Well, that could have gone better.
You've got some nerve to leave me alone out there. What if I...
The rest of my life. I can't marry someone who doesn't feel the same. I know.
If he turns out to be Deathstroke, Sorry, if he turns out not to be Deathstroke, should I say, I'm gonna feel really bad about this. I hope this is
We're running out of time.
legit.
Please tell me you're
I know
going
that's
to
weird,
something
but I hope this is
already.
legit and he's not
That's
actually
right.
a psychopath running
There's
around as
evidence the image was
Deathstroke.
altered. I'm running a decryption program, but it's going to take a bit.
That's all we
When
can
did
hope
you
here.
learn to do all this Felicity stuff? I was a police
It's a green arrow.
Oh, she's.
Hey,
I used
how'd
to
it go?
absolutely despise
her.
Earth 2 Laurel, and now
you
I
decide
love
to
her,
Yeah,
and now
my
she's
friend.
giving inspirational
Any luck finding her
speeches, and it's
Not yet,
amazing.
But she's in a
Love it.
greenhouse of some sort. Only problem is there are hundreds in the.
One way to find out.
Yeah, buddy! Oh, yes! There is the Green Arrow. The Green Arrow lives.
Bianca on the top floor.
That was-
There's 2 bodies beside her. I'm guessing they're guards.
How much more company
This
can
is
we
gonna be
expect?
epic.
Depends on how fast we move.
Love it.
That's comforting.
Oh, and another piece of good news. The whole place is...
That is a cool exit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna cause an explosion,
Oh my god.
but it was
Who are you bitches?
damn fun.
Any word
I
on what
like
Bianca's
explosions
doing?
apparently.
She's back to her old self, posting live videos.
I'm glad they sorted things out, but I'm still
been a while
suspicious
since
of
I had a
JJ. I can't help
I'll
it.
get my own place.
He spent the entire
Some place. That sounds pretty permanent.
previous future
City's
trying
under
to
threat,
kill
and I'm not
everyone.
leaving until it's over. You know, while you're here, we could turn this place.
Oh.
Hell.
Oh. Uh-oh.
William!
Oh, God, no! No! This isn't happening. Oh my God. Yeah! This is going great.
I think you'll be back so
Oh, hell no!
What do you want?
I need you to remember.
Oh, this is no good! Oh, this is so bad!
You're wrong about me.
Oh, this is so bad! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh God! Oh God! Okay. 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 So, I guess I know where the new spin-off series is coming from, which I believe is actually called Green Arrow and the Canaries. Please let me know if I'm wrong. Politely. Most of you are. It's only the occasional comment that I get that's not polite. That's okay. Most of you are pretty good. Yeah. I was definitely not expecting to be in 2040. I guess I kind of should have, because Mia will obviously... Older Mia will no longer exist in the current timeline. I am actually very keen. I am, like, even the build up to this episode, like, we've seen the Canaries and Mia work together, but finally seeing the Canaries and the Green Arrow together, it's like, yes, this is, yes. It also means that when they do start the series, it's gonna be complete chaos. But that's basically Arrow in a nutshell. This is just Arrow 20 years in the future. So, yeah, I'm keen for this. I can't wait for it to start. I have a multitude of questions, though. Which, you know, I understand that the timeline has changed and that there are a few universes kind of shoved together. I'm confused as to why Dinah. Because clearly she's there for a reason. But I don't know if that has anything to do with the new universe or something goes wrong with Letty. I have no idea. But I guess we'll at least find it. No, we won't get answers next week. I'm lying. Because there is no next week. I'll be filming the finale today. We're still not going to get answers though. But something tells me that Dinah being in the future and the sudden reappearance of Deathstroke has something to do with it. Which also makes me wonder who has that ring. Because clearly someone's nicked it off Cisco. Or it's been nicked off someone. So that'll be interesting to find out. I have so many questions. So many questions which may be answered. I'm not ready for this, guys. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for the finale. Oh, God. I'm not ready for this. Okay. So, yeah. But definitely came for the new spin-off. Because I like Mia as the Green Arrow. I do. I think she's a boss-ass character. And she's just the right mix of Oliver and Felicity. just the right mix. So it's gonna be awesome. Because, yeah. All three of them working together. We've seen it. It's pretty magic. Let's hope it continues. So yeah. Funsies. Where's the title of the board? I'll deal with that later. Sorry. So yeah. I don't even know what to say. Because it set up the new series, but it doesn't answer a bit of the old series. And then obviously we now have to deal with the funeral and everything that's happening with the new world. Because we know what 2040 looks like. Now I need to know what 2020 looks like. And also, Oliver's tombstone is a lie. Unless they've done some BS timeline stuff. Oliver technically died in 2020. So I'll be interested to figure out how that one works. Although new timeline would change his gravestone. It's a year. Let's not think about it. So anyway, I'm gonna go prepare for the finale emotionally. We'll see how that goes. And I will see you all in the next video.